fiti ani asese ne din and your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro and ma ba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Usiafo ene adofo nyame ensha musada ne da munya ebre eje edwa etinsema yede ebebeso mo ewotuma GH ya fidie kase yi eso na abusiafo ene dai ye ensema ba bedru yapono eso ede esewani ensese ye ka ede echo dunkuma ewo mahwebedwe fie wo mo ebu efu wo mani abrise kokokokoko ni nyina ye papa flight lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings awanya ni baby ekwo ne ho ensense some much as a baby to a janet de decisions bia abusuafo binom etu ye enunti ama ye nua ba ma ni din e de Steven atubiga ababonten abesho ni disappointment awowo wanya e de afa abusuafo no ho ni titu ene ye mame a ana wo yire ade ato nani ene epiemu soso enkwada ye papa eja wo mo ewo achire na abusuafo ni nyina ye sem ye papa His Excellency and a former president JJ Rawlings wo ye na nanse mra woto ni benkum eso no ebusuafo eko Jubilee House acheso mkokobo ye mampenya wote akunya so His Excellency na nadodan kwa Kufu Ado amane efa wo mo sebofo a etu ewo ebusuano emu no na enumu na chese ye mampenyi nzo so ebe announce ye de enhihye ya wo edefa ye papa ewo yi hu ede etu dwa se wo yi enanso de si wonom se ye mfa emone former JJ Rawlings ni wu na se nya wanya ne baabi ekro no na no na chese ye nua ba ma wo no field presidential candidate ede NDC amanyoko no Steven atubiga no so aba bonten se awo ye disappointed pa ewo the family of JJ Rawlings any ebiemu ensoso no enkrofo a wo mo eka wo ma nhihye ye koso se wo mo yi NDC amanyoko no edi esi enchen na wo mo afo wo mo endi wo mo anim ewo wo mo na muntu no wo mo tu de akoye mampanyi His Excellency na nadan kwa Akufo-Addo eho na wo mo ankasa etusa ana mo na sese His Excellency na nadan kwa Akufo-Addo no na aba be chief mo na ede ama papa abra John Dramani Mahama, former president, ewo ena ebiom susu no ofosu ampofo anase siedu enketia wono susu so wo mu yi wo mu empanifo bi se ya wo mu wo NDC amanyoko no si nchen na wo mu atu wo manam ekoye no eno na chese wodi yawo ewo wo mu emu na ebusuafo same eno wo de nsem no ekokotu edwa ewo ni page so say I am very disappointed in the family of the late president for rushing to Nana Addo government like JJ is an individual or an MPP former party leader. JJ has a party he led before. The family of JJ is supposed to have informed the leadership of the NDC party and our current leader now, John Dramani Mahama, officially first. Then together with the party, we will select some executives to join the family to officially inform the outgoing president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo about the death of our former leader. We as NDC would be forced to have our own funeral or our own funeral for our leader if the MPP party government is to lead the funeral. The NDC party has the capacity to give our former leader a befitting burial. We summer what they to Jan or Sanso say the family of JJ should allow NDC party structural leadership and our current leader JM to join hands with them for historic burial as our own. We any bema Steven atubiga nen sama wode to edwa wo chirma na chese Yaman Penny's Excellency Nana Dango Kufuado, war refer no Crampono, refer no as outgoing president, which is will be away the war free a year Aquinano as well. Now, I was in campaign for what NDC move, and I was uncomfortable or mamma near Sandy Beya, one more a moment to a young crop for, now one met me a day a year woman named Nanny, a woman or a Yaman Penyanka, war flap when you sway a Yaman Penny's Excellency Nana Dango Kufuado, Comaka Bona Mania, Sandy Beya, and now be pepper pay at me. Atos na se wo me amade se wo mu eyi NDC amanyoko no edesi enchen pandia ene wo mu boa wo mu yo mu nyoma se de ye mampanyi dada yi na je se wo don MPP amanyoko na se wo kan MPP amanyoko no mo donkume wo ma hye de fe nya de se wo beti ase de biara eda ene anya sa pandia wo mu susu be ye wo mu eyi surunko wo hon because wo mu the rightful people are was wo mu give JJ Rawlings a beautiful burial sa ena yenua bema Steven atubiga wode ne nsem no to edwa say the NDC mu no omo echire mu anaje say yamfa na nsi wo mo na so esan say wo mo party member wo mo leader ena ewo dia ene wo mo MPP for anasa ye mampanyi excellency esan so no na ye mampanyi say na wo no na be ye nhyehyeye no anasa wo no na bi abusuafo be ye na adwen se won fa bibia ntuye no say wo mo ede sa dwumede ni hye ye mampanyi excellency sapa edia ene wo mo susu entimi enja bibia se wo mo be kwakwakobo nso wo mo sesen wo baabi na wo mo susu ama JJ ne krabre kama said na wo mo ehwehwa eno because his excellency wonya ne baabi kono enya de se wono na oye MPP eni 90 MPP for akwa kosie no abusia se de da ne da ye kan se abusia wo we edofunu no no kre ampa na se enye no kre utie ye nya be me ne nsem odi etu edwa ye papa yi na wo mo edo no na afia wawu ena wo mo etu sa anomo me o mo kasa ensem yi wono ena ejina wo ka ede na so se watinya ba bonti a wo ka de na chesa koya ade a wo mo aye de esusu hu adwen ehu na se yesa sei ena wo so wo mo fa memeto abonten ana se de wo mo ye no ne kwan so a eno no fa wade ncha wo fa nua be mai ne nsem yi hu ebebetu edwa Tuma GH comment section like in videos na share all the social media platforms to follow yen your IG page and your Twitter page so Tuma GH _ Facebook Tuma GH meeting at the Ekwesi Kapa dasene yebosane share